Welcome to Norton Support. This video will show you how to block the internet connection for an application. In the main window, click Settings. Then click Firewall. Then Program Control tab. And then click Add. Now browse and select the application for which you want to block the internet connection, and then click OK. To block Internet Explorer from connecting to the internet, select Block Always, then click OK, and then click Apply, and then Close. There you go. You have successfully blocked Internet Explorer from connecting to the internet. You can use the same process on any other application on your computer. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit the Norton Support website at support.norton.com.